let me show you how you can build your own Realtor AI agent in around 10 minutes and how you can dominate real estate with AI this upcoming year. So what we're using here is we're using a software called APPOINTWISE. Now this platform lets you integrate with SMS, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. And everything is integrated through Go High Level. By the way, before we start this video off, make sure you watch this video right here. How to integrate APPOINTWISE with Go High Level. It's on my channel. It should be somewhere in this video, so you can just click on it. This will just show you how you can integrate APPOINTWISE with Go High Level in the best possible way, okay? Now, once you have this, once you register with APPOINTWISE, we have a link down below. You have like 14-day free trial. Once you integrate with Go High Level, which you will do that with this video, and then you need to go and create your first AI agent. Now, this is where we're going to be creating or building our own Realtor AI agent. Okay, so let's click here. As you can see, we have welcome to AI agents. Obviously here you can kind of see the tutorial already. However, if you're watching this, there's no need. You can just watch this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see here, we can create a new, we can use from template, or we can import strategy. I usually go use template, and then I can go here and I go to real estate seller. Now, it doesn't matter if you're not a real estate seller, right? I mean, you can optimize this to make sure it really optimizes for your goals. But as you can see, we just use selected templates. And by the way, I do have to mention APPOINTWISE is only an AI agent or chatbot that qualifies and that qualifies leads and books calls for you. So essentially, that's the whole purpose of APPOINTWISE. So it does not do calls. It does not do anything like that. It just, qualifies your leads. So in this case, once you integrate it with Go High Level, you should be able to see this Go High Level tag. So this tag is a way that when you add this on your contacts in Go High Level, this will trigger this AI agent to work, okay? So whenever you go to Go High Level, add this tag, this will trigger this AI agent, essentially. This is the strategy name. The strategy is real estate seller. Obviously, the tone is friendly and casual. You can change the tone if you want. It's totally up to you. But as you can see, here's the prompt. So this is the main brain of this AI agent. So click edit. And now what I usually do is I copy this and I go to ChatGPT. And what I do is I say, I describe what my business is about on ChatGPT. Since you're a realtor and you want a Realtor AI agent, then you can say something like, I'm a realtor. My name is, Tim. I do this and that. This is my site. This is my document about my work. And please create the similar prompt like this one for me. Okay. From there, you just paste this in here and that's it. I usually don't do this disqualification criteria. However, you can define when to disqualify leads. Like here you can say they're not interested or asked to be removed and stuff like that. So here you can also do that. You can adjust the character limit. I don't really do that. Language, it's usually already English. So, other than that, it will work even if it's like another language here. And then typos per conversation. I like to put 1. Again, you can do it with 0. It's better with 0 maybe, but yeah, I like to do it 1 because I like to keep it human. And then personality traits, I like to keep it friendly, helpful, confident, and empathetic, and a little bit persuasive because at the end of the day, we want to sell. So I save the prompt here, and that's that's basically about the prompt. Now, if you go here for the adjustments, we have initial message delay. I like to keep it around 15 seconds. Or like 20 seconds is good. And then this one is 30. That's okay. I don't really mess around with that. I like to keep this like this. Okay. So top closer, not really going aggressive on selling and objection handling. I just go with top closer. I make it balanced. I get creative here. And that's it. That's what I do. That's what works the best. Obviously, if you want more like aggressive approach, you can do it like this. Okay. So from there, we have step 2, which is conversation. Now here, as you can see, this is being populated from Go High Level. So it will say, when we add this Go High Level tag in Go High Level to our contact, and let's say our contact is named Tim, we can say, hey Tim, thanks for your inquiry. Just to confirm, are you the homeowner of the property you're looking to sell? So this is where you can add your contact first name, last name. Usually the best way is to have a first name, okay? Then here you have qualification questions. You can adjust those as you go, right? So you can adjust those as you go here. It can be, great, thanks. What's the full address of the property? Have you added any features? Okay, so these are some of the qualification questions. Then we have follow-up questions or follow-ups. This is where you can adjust the follow-ups. So it can be like, this can be like 1 day. So let's say 1 day and I'll just do like 0 minutes here. So 1 day, this is after 2 days. Let's keep the 1 minute here. This is after 3 days. Okay, and that's how you go. And that's how you pretty much optimize your follow-ups. You can add follow-ups too, right here. Then we have booking. So booking is really important. So here you also have a way to automate your AI booking. So there's 2 ways how this AI agent works. This AI agent either sends a calendar link and then your leads need to go and book for themselves, or it books the leads without them needing anything, to do with the calendar. So this is the automate AI booking, and it's connected your Go High Level calendar with APPOINTWISE. So here, as you can see, I can just select the calendar from my Go High Level, and whenever the AI agent will go and qualify the leads, it will basically book them without me sending out the link to my calendar in Go High Level. So everything is going to be organized, okay? Here you have post booking behavior. You can enable this. I always enable turn off AI after booking. And then I don't turn off the follow-ups because that would be, dumb for me to remove this. So I do that. And then obviously for Go High Level contact ID, what you want to do is you want to go to your Go High Level, and what you want to do is you want to go to, I will show you right now, to your sub account. And since you need to test this out, you need to go to contacts and you need to select the contact here. This is my contact. By the way, this needs to be dummy contact. So it needs to be your contact because you're going to be testing this AI agent. Now you copy this here. This is the ID. You go here, you paste it here, and you hit save, okay? I'll save anyway here. I'll continue editing. And now we want to go knowledge base. Now here, you already have frequently asked questions. You can obviously populate them however you'd like. Company information is also quite important. It's not really the most important thing because you have frequently asked questions. So if you don't have frequently asked questions, at least add company information. Company information can be just an about section from your website. From there, we have custom tasks. Now for custom tasks, you don't have to mess around with this, but for example, whenever there is appointment booked, the AI will handle the booking and then the AI will be turned off. Now you can add another task here. For example, generate a summary, update custom contact field, add tags, turn off follow-up, stuff like that. So you can do that too. However, yeah, you can add the new trigger too, but that doesn't really matter right now. So let's just hit save, and we save anyway here. And as you can see, you can save and test. We can save and exit here. And if we want, we can launch in Go High Level here, as you can see. Now, this is a video that I will cover in another video on how you can set up triggers and launch AI agents, but you just test your AI agent here. And before going live, as you can see, remember to set up your follow-up timings and always test your own contact first before. So yeah, that's complete. And yeah, here you can kind of go and test your AI agent. So let's say we want to go and test this right here. Seller, start conversation. And this is where we can kind of test our AI agent if it's working correctly, as you can see. So currently it doesn't say a name because it's just a testing phase. That's why it doesn't say anything, but you can test AI agents for errors here. You can run tests. And then once you're done, you pretty much go to launch in Go High Level. And this is where you would be able to see how you can launch this AI agent in Go High Level. But yeah, it's pretty much it, guys. And then once you're in Go High Level, I will create another additional video alongside of this one, just to kind of so you can understand. But once you're in Go High Level, that's pretty much it. You can connect it to SMS, WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook Messenger, because those integrations are available in Go High Level. Okay, so if you want to try out APPOINTWISE, we have a link down below. If you don't have Go High Level, we also have a 30-day free trial on Go High Level 2. So yeah, make sure to try it out. And yeah, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, guys. So we'll see you in the next video.